Hey up Woodlanders, welcome to day 5 of the Great Big Green Week, and today I just thought we'd feature upcycling. Upcycling features a lot in my life. If you've watched any part of the channel so far, you'll realise that I am a little bit of a hoarder, and I like to think that I can reuse and repurpose just about anything that I can. I've made loads of things with upcycled and recycled materials, things that people don't want, the unloved. I don't tend to pick all of it up because, well, I just haven't got the space, but you get the drift. How is it that upcycling can actually help us to stand up for nature? Well, for me, part of that is because if I'm upcycling or recycling some materials, that means that somewhere else in the world it isn't being manufactured, and if it's not being manufactured somewhere, then it's not using resources and energy. So I just think I'm trying to do my bit to stand up for nature by upcycling. Upcycling for me just makes me feel like I've stopped something else going to landfill and I've actually given it a new use, a new purpose. It could be anything from turning an old teapot into a bird's nest, or using some sheet materials for a project at home. Either way, it's just another way that we can swap and share and stand up for nature. So please let me know if you're a bit of an upcycler, a bit of a womble that collects things, turns them into something useful again. Please share with me what your favourite upcycling project has been, and if you're able to, do your best to do a little bit of upcycling and recycling, and I'll see you on the next one.